Hello everyone, and thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to give you a review and ride-along of the Compass Sport Power Wheelchair by Golden Technologies. This power wheelchair just went through a major update, and now it's going to have an upgraded battery, 50 amp hours for up to a 34-mile operating range. It has a larger footplate. It has a 40 amp Lynx smart controller, 24-inch turning radius. It is a true mid-wheel drive power wheelchair. And it has a really robust articulating suspension system that makes it one of the smoothest power wheelchairs for going outdoors on grass and uneven terrain. Now, this is a mid-size power wheelchair, meaning it can hold around 300 pounds as the maximum weight capacity. It's not going to be a heavy-duty, rugged, extreme terrain power wheelchair. But if you need something that's versatile, meaning you can use it indoors and outdoors, it's very compact, super user-friendly, comes with an industry-leading warranty and an in-home service agreement that is covering any warranty-approved claims for the first year absolutely free. Now, I do want to tell you that at the end of this video, we're going to tell you how to get access to a special discount code that expires at the end of this month. So make sure you wait till the very end to see a little hidden message so you can learn how to claim that discount code if you are interested in purchasing this power chair or any other one of our powered mobility products. Now, before we get any further in this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you. Or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we have several locations, so if you have a question, come on by one of our stores, or again, call our sales line with the number below. We'd love to earn your business. Now let's get back to the video.
I am Richard from Mobility Direct, and in this video, I will give you a look and take you for a ride on the Golden Technologies Compass Sport Power Wheelchair. This has been newly redesigned, and I'm currently at Golden's headquarters in Pennsylvania. They've been super kind to have us out here and demo this product for you. And I am super excited to give you a look at this freshly redesigned Compass. I will put the specifications on the screen for a moment so you can take a look. And if you want to purchase this power wheelchair, you can give us a call at 866-935-1069 or visit mobilitydirect.com, where you can click on the green icon at the top of the screen and receive a free mobility catalog in about a week. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for your chance to win a free mobility scooter. Alright, so let's take a look at this thing. It's got an amazing suspension system. One of the best I've seen. It's a mid-wheel drive. You sit directly on top of that mid-wheel, so it's almost like you're turning with the chair. It's a beautiful machine. This footrest here is height adjustable, length adjustable, and angle adjustable. See this bracket here? Depth adjustable seat. This seat will rotate. You can adjust it by height. Right there. By that bolt. Check this seat out. Check this out. Bam! Pow! That's a flat seat. Folded flat. Good for transport. You have height adjustable, width adjustable armrests that are padded. This is a fully programmable controller. 40 amp charger right there on the side. There's your power button. This dial will regulate the speed, and there's your horn. Some of the new features that have been improved on this are the solid color injection molded panels, nylon drive wheels for reduced suede and modern look oil, embedded bearings for increased durability, silver powder-coated arm, beans for reflective stickers, larger foot plate, optional, larger 50 amp-hour batteries. If that's not enough, I got lithium batteries you could put in there. That'll be warranted for 11 years. So if you need extra battery distance, we have that. We can cover that. Looks like you could get different seats on this thing, 16, 18, 20, and an upgraded 22-inch wide one. So it makes it a very versatile power chair. I had the pleasure of riding this before this video, so I can tell you before we even get on it that this thing rides superb. Goes through grass? No problem. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. If you need parts, give us a call. Our parts guys will get on the phone with you. Get your serial number just to make sure that we're getting you the right parts first try. So right here, this bracket is an adjustable joystick. You can slide it forward. And if you look here, you also got mounting options to the left or the right. I really like that. It's very, very responsive. See these casters? Casters are really nice. Front and rear casters. All right, I'm going to show you while this thing's moving through this uneven grass here that this suspension system is top-notch. You can see it moving and adjusting. This is a true mid-wheel drive chair as well. It has been performing very well in this uneven grass and leaves. Now let's take this thing for a ride. Before we do, here's your joystick forward. Make sure you go forward. Backwards makes you go backward. Right? Makes you spin on your axis. Spin right. Left. We'll do the opposite. Now we're going to turn the power up. And take it for a test ride through Golden's front yard. Oh my goodness, this thing is amazing. 200 pounds, 6'1". I got plenty of foot room, and the fact that I can adjust this larger footplate, I really like that. But I like that this thing's smoother than some of the scooters out here. What's going on? This is like sorcery. Like, I am super impressed with this new updated Compass Sport. Oh my lord. This thing is super responsive. Super silent. And it's got power. Like, I'm going through thick grass, and it's not level whatsoever. This is not level grass, so we're going to go in over here kind of by this tree where it goes up. And I'm going to go around it, get some roots lifting the ground up over here. And let's see, we've just stopped. All right. So, I stopped, so I shouldn't have stopped. We're just going to keep on going. Wow. Now let's see how it handles this little dip in the terrain. The suspension should flex. Nice. Yep. So with this goes without saying, this thing's performing, but since it's a Golden product, phenomenal warranty on it, you're going to get a service warranty with it. You're going to get a warranty that is on your frame. I think it's like 5 years or something like that. But you're going to get a 12-month warranty on your batteries, which is fantastic for SLA batteries in this industry. And then you're going to get a 2-year warranty on the drivetrain. Which I doubt you'll ever have any problems with. But Golden, just like they want to give you a good product and back it up as well because they know you depend on it. So we're spinning right now ever so easily inside a parking spot. When you press your joystick all the way to one side, your wheels will rotate in opposite directions, making the chair spin on its axis. So the way this is done is it has one motor on each drive wheel. This chair is built so well that I could stand on the footplate, and it doesn't move. This is very good engineering. Very good engineering. Most wheelchairs, if you try and do that, they will definitely tilt forward. So, not that we recommend it, we're just here to show you that this thing is built with the highest quality. All right, let's keep rolling. I think that we covered a good amount of stuff. If you have any questions, feel free. Give us a call. This newly redesigned Compass Sport is amazing. I think they did a great job with the new features on it. It feels great even in the grass. Like it's smoother than some of the scooters I rode out here today, which is unbelievable. I'm really excited about that. So visit our website. We want to purchase one of these free shipping zero tax. Give us a call. We also sell parts for everything that we sell. Don't forget to subscribe for your chance to win a free scooter. Thank you.